Hello YouTube, Dano here. What we got here is an interesting box. It looks like it's from like the Board of Education, something they send out to the schools. And it's an electronic magnetism electricity handbook. The book's dated 1961, but I think it's got a revision of 1978. Come on, focus. Explains to you how to hook it all up in English and French, of course, dual language. This is who supplied it. So yeah, look at the goodies in this thing. All the wiring, bars of metal, switches, all kinds of stuff. Metal filings, all kinds of neat things you can do with this. Bar magnet, there's a light. I probably even got a couple switches somewhere that would work with this package. Yeah, I don't know what something like this would be worth now, but definitely a cool setup. Yeah. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, stop by and say hello. Dano out.